Hi everyone, welcome to Chef School channel. After 10 years in professional kitchens, I'm excited to share my favorite recipes and simple cooking tips with you in my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a low calorie dessert, which is a high protein pudding that tastes like dessert, but it's packed with nutrition. It's creamy and it takes less than 2 minutes to make and has 36 grams of protein per serving. It's so versatile and you will be able to switch flavors based on your preferences. Here is the best part. Per serving you're getting approximately 280 calories, 36 grams of protein and 39 grams of carbs. Macros may be slightly different depending on your protein powder and the additional flavors you decide to put in. Let's jump in. You will need Greek yogurt or skyr, protein powder, type, brand and flavor of your choice, additional flavors like cocoa powder, vanilla paste, banana, blueberry, raspberry, peanut butter and so on. Honey, a sweetener, or any other sweetener of your choice. I'm about to show you 3 different flavors: peanut butter, blueberry and banana. Full list of ingredients below in the description. You can do this recipe either by hand with a whisk in a bowl or by using a small kitchen robot. Just mix the yogurt or skyr with the protein powder. Stir everything together until smooth and fully combined. It should already start looking like a mousse. If doing by hand, let the mixture stay 5 to 10 minutes on the side so the protein powder can blend in. Give it another whisk after that. Next, add the honey, vanilla paste and your chosen flavor. Mix again until creamy and silky. At this point, you can taste and adjust sweetness if needed. You can eat it right away or refrigerate overnight. It becomes thicker and slightly airy, almost like a pudding or a mousse. You can level up this by adding fresh berries, peanut butter drizzle, dark chocolate chips or even crushed nuts. It's perfect as breakfast, post-workout or a healthy dessert. The flavor possibilities are endless. Let me know in the comment below which one are your favorite. If you enjoyed this quick high protein recipe, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy healthy meals. Let me know in the comments, would you eat this before breakfast or dessert? See you in the next video.